Good morning, students of class 9. We'll continue our lessons. Welcome back to the classes now. We'll continue the lesson in English, The Sound of Music, Part 2. We were talking about Bismillah Khan. At the age of 5, when he was very young, he used to play Gilli Danda in the village along with his friends. He used to play near the pond, in the orchards. Nobody expected him that he would become a great musician in future. He belonged to Bihar, he from Dumran. Now we'll continue our lessons. There are 8 points I have written over here. Number 1, Bismillah was born on 21st March 1916. He was born. This is the date. And his grandfather, the name of his grandfather was Rasul Bakhsh Khan. Rasul Bakhsh Khan played Shanahai in the King's Court of Bhojpur. His grandfather used to play Shanahai in the court, King's Court of Bhojpur. So naturally, Bismillah Khan belonged to the family of musicians. Even his father, Paigambar Bakhsh, his father's name was Paigambar Bakhsh, and his ancestors, his forefathers, were also great Shanahai players. He belonged to a family of musicians. His father, grandfather, his uncles, all they used to play Shanahai or music. Bismillah took to music early in life. When he was very young, he began to learn music, how to play Shanahai. At the age of 3, you can see there, naturally he was influenced by his family. His family members used to play the Shanahai. Naturally he was influenced by that. At the age of 3, his mother took him to his maternal uncle's house in Banaras. His mother took him to Banaras when he was 3 years old. And he was very much fascinated, charmed, attracted, watching his uncle practice his Shanahai. In Dumran, he used to watch his father, grandfather, uncles playing Shanahai. And when his mother took him to Banaras at the age of 3, there also his maternal uncles, they used to play the Shanahai. He used to watch them captivated or fascinated. He was fascinated watching his uncles play or practice Shanahai. His uncle, maternal uncle, his uncle Ali Bakhsh, there in Banaras. Ali Bakhsh used to play Shanahai in the Vishnu temple of Banaras. His maternal uncle Ali Bakhsh used to play the Shanahai in the temple. Every day in the morning and evening he used to play the Shanahai in the temple of Banaras, Vishnu temple. Bismillah would sit captivated. Bismillah Khan used to accompany his uncle Ali Bakhsh to the temple, and he used to sit there captivated, attracted, with much attention, with rapt attention, sit captivated for hours on end. He never used to get up from there. He used to watch his uncle playing, and he liked the music, and he watched very attentively. And slowly he started getting lessons from his uncle in Banaras. Slowly he started getting lessons, and he played throughout the day. Once he started getting his lessons from his uncles, maternal uncles in Banaras, he used to play the Shanahai whole day in the house. And he used to make much noise. Of course, he never used to produce beautiful sound. He was just practicing. And the family members, his maternal uncle and his aunts, all used to get disturbed and used to shout at him. And he used to move out from the house and used to go in a place, quiet place. The young apprentice means learner. A young learner's favorite place to practice were the temple of Balaji Mangala Maiya and the bank of Ganga. in the house he used to make much noise, so he used to go and practice in solitude near the bank of Ganga. Or Balaji Mangala Maya, there was a temple there in Benares. He used to go near the temple and he used to play there, practice there, or sometimes he used to go to the bank of the Ganga and used to practice there in solitude, alone. So he kept on practicing all the time for years and years and years. So the practice made him perfect. So now we'll continue our lessons in our next class. What happened after that? How long it took him to learn the music? All these things. Now you can copy this out and go through it and stay safe at home. Thank you for watching the video clip. So make a habit of watching the video every day so that you can learn. Every day we are continuing our lessons. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video. That's all for today.